In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to insert current year, month or date by formulas and hotkeys in Excel. In Excel, you can insert current year, month, date, and time stamps with formulas easily. Use the now formula to return the current date and time formatted as a date and time. Use today formula to return the current date formatted as date. Use month formula to return the month, a number from 1 for January to 12 for December. Use the year formula to return the year of a date, an integer in the range 1900 to 9999. Use text formula to convert a value text in a specific number format. So let's insert current month in number format. Type month, and in the serial number type today, press tab, close the brackets, press enter, and the current month is inserted in the number format. Now insert the current month in the text format. Type text, in the value type today, press tab, close the bracket, comma, in the format text, inside double quotation type 4 times m, double quotation, close the bracket. Next, insert the current year. Use the year function with in the serial number type today, close the brackets. Insert current date, just type today, press tab, close the bracket, press enter. Insert current date and time, just type now function, press tab, close the bracket, press enter. Hotkeys can also help you insert current date and time easily. Press Ctrl plus semicolon to insert the current date, and press Ctrl plus semicolon to insert the current date first and release the keys. Then press a space button to insert a space. At last, press Ctrl Shift semicolon to insert the current time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.